What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to do a quick update on the 2500 HD. I was getting a random misfire on number 8, and ended up being the coil pack was bad, but it went out because the heater hose, they come with these plastic fittings on there from the factory, then they become brittle and start leaking. So I took those off and got new hoses and just used hose clamps on both of them, and it seems to quit. It seems to make the leaks quit. But I also, hold on, one of the heater hoses goes down right here, and the factory puts a plastic Y there, and I just went ahead and got a metal one to get rid of that potential leak also. And I went ahead and put all new hoses on the truck since I had all the coolant drained out. And man, it's holding up good. Let's see if we can get a better shot of the hose clamps. There you go. And it was pretty tough to put those on. Don't push too hard on the heater core and break it. Just get the hose wet, slip it on. But yeah, it's an awesome motor. No issues really, besides the plastic junk in the cooling system.